In this video, we will review the process to configure passwordless authentication to Google Workspace using a Swissbit iShield key. To enable the required policies, begin by accessing your Google Workspace admin console. From the main menu, expand the Security section. If this section is not visible, click Show More and then expand Security. Expand Authentication, then select Two-Step Verification. When the policy loads, you may select an OU or the entire domain where you would like to enforce the policy. Make sure the box for Allow Users to turn on two-step verification is checked, noting that it is entirely likely that this setting is already checked. All other configuration settings are optional. Return to the Authentication submenu and select the Passwordless option. Here there is only one checkbox. Select Allow Users to skip passwords and click Save. That concludes the administrative setup. Now, a user can register their iShield key. In order to register a security key, simply log into Google Workspace as you normally would. From Google Workspace, select your profile icon, then click Manage your Google account. From the main menu, select Security, then under How you sign into Google, select Two-Step Verification. From the options presented, select Add a security key to the Passkeys and Security Key menu item. If you have not already created a PIN for your iShield key, you can do so during setup. Finally, touch your key to complete registration. Follow the prompts to close the setup wizard, and then log out of Google Workspace. Return to the login screen and click Continue. You'll be prompted to select your authentication method, click on Security Key, supply your PIN, and then touch your security key. You have now completed passwordless authentication to Google Workspace.